is we're going to be drawing a cupcake today, so that's the reason why we have so many colors out here, because it's going to have sprinkles on it. It's going to be so good if you can eat the paper, but you can't. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the base of our cupcake, and that is 2 lines coming down like this. And also, you don't want to go all the way to the top of your paper because you're not going to have room to come down a little bit in the middle of your paper. Just like that. I'm going to go in with my marker so you can see it. Like that. And on the top of your cupcake, you're going to make some fluffy lines. Just like that. And come up a little bit. That's why I said come down on your paper, so you can have room for the top. Make a circle. And that is our cherry. Just like that. And coming down from your cherry, you're going to be making another shape. And that shape is how your cupcake will be structured. So this shape is different. So make your line like this. Just like that. And stop, because you're going to do this for your cupcake. And then that is the basis of your cupcake. You're going to draw these lines down like this to represent the paper on your cupcake. And we're going to be drawing a plate for our cupcake. So that is an oval shape. Just like that. And that's it. You're going to draw some sprinkles. Black. Because the rest of it, you're going to color it. So I like to start with the bottom of my cupcake first. So I will go in with my teal color and I will color lines like that. Just like this. This is how I like to color my cupcake. You can color your cupcake in any shape or fashion that you like. And that's the fun thing about art, because everyone sees art in their own light. So this is my version, and I cannot wait to see your version. And with that same color, we're going to draw some dots, because that is our sprinkles too. We're going to use every color for this picture. I'm telling you. Then I'm going in with my brown to color our cake. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with my pink, because we have pink icing on this cupcake. And it wouldn't be a cupcake without icing. I just love pink. And just keep coloring it. If you're curious about what color this is the color RV13 in Tender Pink, and I use Cupcake markers in all of my videos. They have a brushstroke design on the end, as well as a marker shape on the other end, so you can draw like a painting, so to speak, on one side and regular marker on the other side. So I'm going to go with my red because cherries are red, and make some red sprinkles. Just get them around. And then for our green, I'm going to use some green sprinkles because I like green. And then for our table, I'm going to be using an orange color pencil. And there you have it, your very own cupcake. Once again, thank you guys so much for joining me for this video, and I can't wait to see how you make your cupcakes. Post them below if you can. Tag me in the description box below. And once again, have a great day. Bye.